Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view an image, you must first open the photo or image you want to view. To do this, select File, Open from the menu bar. That will launch the Open dialog box, which is a system dialog box that you use to navigate to the folder in your computer's file system within which you want to look for image files. Once you are looking inside the folder that contains the image to open, you should see the name and icon of the image in the list window. You can double-click the image to open it in Elements. Alternatively, you can click it once to select it, and then click the Open button in the lower right corner of the dialog box to open it. If the image you want to open was one you had recently opened, you can select File, Open Recently Edited File from the menu bar instead. In the side menu that appears, you will see the names of the most recently opened image files in Elements. If you click a name in this side menu to select it, the selected image file will reopen within the image window in Photoshop Elements for editing. You can also reopen recently opened images using the Open button at the left end of the Shortcuts bar. Click the small downward pointing arrow to the right of the Open button, and then select a recently opened image from the list that appears.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.